great to talk to you guys a little bit about how we use ScreenCloud and how it's really helped our business. I think I was in the Netherlands, I was waiting, sat in the lobby, and the screen had content playing. So it was a lot of their marketing content, and I thought, wow, how great would that be if we not only rolled that out globally, but then we used it in internal spaces to share internal content as well. The average engineer of ours is receiving between 250 and 300 system-generated emails a day. So then if I come in and send them an email from the CEO, they're very likely to miss it. We've already had a lot of feedback from people saying that they now understand our strategy a little bit more, they understand what they need to be doing to help us bring it to life.
A UX and UI point of view, ScreenCloud is beyond anybody else's offering in respect of ease of use. It's what drew me to it. Honestly, the interface is so good. They understand what a user interface should be like. And I don't know any other software that's got the simplicity, ease of use, understanding and breadth that ScreenCloud's got.
Our leaders love it. The second they see it, they'll say to me, I'm working on this, same with my team, and I want it on the screen. So we piloted with 50 screens, and now we're about to roll out an extra 450 screens globally, starting next year. And it's great.